Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another Spanish tutoring video. In this video we will learn to write and pronounce the numbers between 8,000 and 8,999, or los números del 8,000 al 8,999. So let's begin. The prefix we will be using for the numbers between 8,000 and 8,899 are the words ocho, 8,000, which represents the number 8,000. All right, let's look at some random numbers. Here I've already written some prefixes. The prefixes for all the numbers between 8,000 and 8,999. So now what we want to do is write down the words in Spanish and have you pronounce them after me. Let's begin. The first one is 8,000, which is 8,000. It stays as it is. The next one is 8,001, which is 8,001. The next one is 8,006, which is 8,006. The next one is 8,010, which is 8,010. The next one is 8,014, which is 8,014. The next one is 8,048, which is 8,048. 48. The next one is 8,100, which is 8,100. The next one is 8,176, which is 8,176. 8,176. The next one is 8,200, which is 8,200. The next one is 8,267, which is 8,267. 267. The next one is 8,348, which is 8,348. 8,348. The next one is 8,466, which is 8,462. The next one is 8,585, which is 8,585. 585. The next one is 8,693, which is 8,693. 693. Let's go to the next set of numbers. The next one is 8,786, which is 8,786. 786. The next one is 8,884, which is 8,884. 800. Let me erase that. And come back. 884. The next one is 8,900, which is 8,900. The next one is 8,962, which is 8,962. 962. The next one is 8,990, which is 8,990. 990. And the final one is 8,999, which is 8,999. 999. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this ends our video for today. Please like this video as well as subscribe to our channel for more similar content like this. And don't forget, if you ever got stuck, please rewind and replay this video as many times as you can so that you can understand how to pronounce and write down the word. We'll see you in the 9,000s.